Two. There. We done with a bunch of people. This is my client. Okay. Seven aquatic preserve. Now we know where the parents going to continue, but take your time. No, I know again was. Seven aquatic preserve. Okay.
Stretch something, maybe I'll get like a good adjustment.
Seven aquatic preserve. But I did still stretch it out, see. The part but you do. I'll do that. Aquatic preserve. Here, is there a state bumper preserve? It's weird, isn't it? It's also state preserve. Have it. There. Course. We'll preserve that one actually. Here, alright. Do you like this? What's that?
I think it's the weight from the boat that just passed.
Or boat
that's coming. When the boat moves through it, displaces water. Meaning water has to move to let the boat get through. Which pretty much creates waves. They call waves like that a wake.
Ready to continue?
Yeah.
Why is it a corner preserve? Take good service.
These damn shoes off. These shoes ever help me. I need to stop wearing flip-flops altogether.
Wow. Like that, look out there. Those birds are like in the sun now. They're like 4 pelicans, you just missed it.
Oh, cool. Sorry, I'll catch you on the
Yeah, it's interesting. Oh, I heard a baby alligator noise.
People talking on the path or on boat coming this way.
In the boat. Aquatic preserve.
Really, you don't talk about hookers? It feels a little bit better now. A little rest. A little stretch. Back in the game. Just temporarily.
Like in the boob. You're a boob. Here's a aquatic preserve again. Like a boat launch here. Here's a tram map. There. What's a good
There's 2 red spots. So that's cool. What are you thinking? What do you want to do?
The mango, the coconut trail, then it can go. I know we're interested in Calusa Loop.
Why do you not like the Calusa Loop?
I'm not interested in Calusa.
Well, it wouldn't just have Indian stuff. You think it's like a big Indian celebration?
There's a red mango, the common, there's white mango, there's black mango. I really never see black mangoes. With the mangoes are like there are mostly red mangoes.
Interesting. By how little I know.
I shot cameras, I know. Boo, aquatic boo reserve. My dad's come my boo boo. Let's do it. I think he's angry. I don't know. This is called Matanzas Past Preserve. You do not hear me. Why did guy you hear me? Wow. Yeah, I saw it. I think that's one mango.
Why do you think that is?
Look at a sign back there. That back mango, because the 6 around them. This is called Boo Boo Matanzas Past Preserve. With that? What was that noise?
I don't know, man.
A panther? I cannot hear.
I thought there wasn't enough land here for a panther.
They don't even live here. They're in neighbors beside this national preserve in Fagahati and stuff. This is called Matanzas Past. Hey, Dad, this is not Jim. I'm cool. Hey, Dad. Which is a coconut tree? It ain't that way.
Okay, I remember from the last time we did this that this map is really almost more harm than good, I would say, for most people. You want to go to the coconut trail, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Is there a long stick where I can point to this damn thing? It's not quite long enough because I'm not getting down there. We came from, see where it says overlook?
Uh-huh.
We came from there. That's where we came from, and now we're like, where that red dot is actually where the sign is. So according to the map, we're kind of backward. It's like, you know, what we need to do, we turn around, if we want to get to the coconut trails, we would, from the trail we just came on, we would want to take a left.
That way.
Exactly.
And that map the opposite.
Exactly. So.
Mean map. I hate you.
How, like if you're handy, like reading a map, like it's kind of like one of those things. Like some people are able to read a map and some people aren't. You know, it's not. That doesn't mean it's a bad thing if you can't. It's just different ways of thinking.
You can't whisper to us, I think.
Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Wait. Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, parked.